So why do people go to search engines? What are they providing? What motivates the searcher? Let's find out. First thing first, what search engines do is provide you with super fast, relevant results, especially Google, which means if you have a problem and you're looking for a solution, if you need a certain service, and if you go to Google and if you search for it, Google will provide you relevant results based upon your search. For example, let's say if we were to go to Google and look for air duct cleaning, right here. Now within 0.63 seconds, that's less than 1 second, Google shows up with 475 million results. And these are, of course, the ones that are on page 1. What this means is, in Google's database, Google has at least 475 million pages that mention or talk about air duct cleaning. If you provide that service, and if that is mentioned on your website, well, your website can be one of those results as well. But what it truly means is, Google is showing relevant results at lightning speeds. Now, I'm in Alpharetta, Georgia, and I looked up for air duct cleaning services or air duct cleaning. So Google is trying to show me companies that are in my area, companies that provide services in my area for air duct cleaning. And these companies or these websites, of course, have pages dedicated to air duct cleaning. I'll just randomly click on one and let's see where it goes. So what this truly means is the services that you provide. See right here it says get air duct cleaning today, right? It talks about dry vent cleaning, commercial air duct cleaning, and so forth. So what that really means is any service that you provide or every service that you provide, you must have a page dedicated to that service. Let's say you also provide rug cleaning, carpet cleaning, floor cleaning. You must have a page for each one of those services. Because when someone in your area goes to Google and they search for carpet cleaning, HVAC cleaning, floor cleaning, etc., your site will rank high. See, Google only has less than a second to show up results, right? And these are millions and millions of results out of billions of pages on internet. So your site, your landing pages should be highly relevant. And of course, we'll get into that as well, but they should be highly relevant in order for your site to get on page 1 of results. So this is something you need to keep in mind, that your site should be good enough in Google's eyes that it ranks on page 1. Because out of 475 million, or let's say at least a few thousand local companies, how would Google show you on page 1 and not your competitor? There's got to be some criteria, right? Some guidelines that you need to meet. So keep that in mind, that Google will show your website on page 1 if you have relevant content on your website, on your landing pages.